Today we are going to learn GK's fifth number lesson, Big Tales. So Big Tales, it is a story of all the birds big, and big is different of all the birds, and it's have a different type of speciality, different specification of it. So we are going to learn through this lesson the five birds big and its specialization and its feature also. Question number first, draw a line to match these birds with the feature of their beaks. So there is our first question. It is of we want to draw line and matching the bird with its features of the beak. So first one, there is hawk. That bird is of hawk and its features are, we are going to match here D. So this bird have the curved beak with a razor sharp tip. So this beak have a curved and sharp like a razor of this carnivorous bird, help it to tear its prey. So that bird is of carnivorous, eating flesh of other birds and animals. So it have a curved and sharp beak, and it is making smaller pieces of its prey, means which animal he wants to eat, he making a small pieces of its meat, making it easy to swallow, and that is making it easy to swallow. So next one, dove. So dove bird, that is of so silent and calm bird, and its beak is like that. This bird possesses a slim and short beak that help it to feed on seeds, fruits and plants. So bird have slim and short beak. So he want to eat seed, fruits and plants. So next one, duck. Third number bird is of duck. Duck is living sometime in the water, on the land also. So how does it beak, we are going to learn. So duck suitable beak is this E. The flat beak of this bird helps it to strain the water. Duck have a flat beak and it is strain water. Whenever he wants to move, he use his beak sometime to move water from the side. When it consumes its food, that includes aquatic plants and animals. With the help of his flat beak, duck can eat plants and animals from the water. The next one, cardinal. The cardinal's suitable beak is B. So this bird has a short and thick conical beak. So this bird have short beak And conical means just like a ice cream cone is a conical shape. So like that its beak is there and it is short only. That helps in cracking open the seeds, and that beak is used to crack seeds, and from that seed he wants to eat something. Then last one, woodpecker. He making hole for the trunks of the trees, so its beak is C. And last one, this beak has a peculiarly long beak. Peculiarly means amazingly, that is of long beak with chisel like feature. Chisel means one tool in the toolbox which can use to break wood or anything, that is called chisel. And that type of features that beak have to cut the wood trunk of the tree. This helps it to bore into bark and consume insect and tree sap by extending its barked tongue. So that bird can eat insect from the bark when he used to cut that bark of the tree, and he cut that bark and eating insect from the bark and sap by extending its barbed tongue. And that tongue is of barbed, small thrown like that its tongue, and with the help of this tongue he used to eat insects. So students, write above exercise properly in the book and then write in notebook and learn it. Thank you and have a nice day.